Close your mouth, honey.
I came to the pawn shop today to try to sell my Clark Gable signature, and it's on a
Now.
Oh, I'm recording it.
I would like to come in around
Get it clean, girl. You get the soup out of that strainer. That's what you do.
After you came back from a successful mission,
Say, I'm licking the flavor out your chin from where you ate at Chili's earlier. What you think I'm doing? Say, I love me some Chili's.
Oh, God. Her tongue is like 32 grit sandpaper.
Hang on, let me zoom back out.
Man, that reminds me of something Papa used to say to me and Jonathan all the time.
That is so precious.
What?
You remember when
She
me and
is going to
Jonathan
town.
were teenagers, we always used to walk around scratching
There
our
must be
nuts?
some good juice in there.
And Papa was bad for it too. He'll look at you, he'll be like, "You want me to go to the store and get you some 30 grit sandpaper?"
Michael, I'm recording this, and you sitting there talking about that.
Okay, so
Look at that. She is just crazy.
okay.
It's voice